Let's create your first site with Pages. Go to app.pages.com. Sign up or log in. Enter your site name. You can type in English or any language you prefer. Check the Terms and Conditions box, then click Create. Next, enter your subdomain. This is your temporary site address. Use at least 4 letters or numbers. Your site is ready. On the left, you'll see the Site Editing panel. At the top, you'll find your site name. Click the arrow next to it to go to your site dashboard. From here, click New Pages anytime to start another site. Let's return to the site we just made. Click Settings in the left panel to open the Settings menu. Go to General. Click the logo image to upload your brand logo, which also works as a home button. Add a favicon, the small icon that appears in browser tabs. Under Pages URL, click your temporary domain to open your live site. Refresh to make sure your logo and favicon look great. That's it. Your site is live and ready to customize with Pages.